Friday is our school obstacle race.
Perfect. I'm gonna win again. Max, maybe you should just watch. You're really going to race? Yes. Good luck. You'll need it.
Why are you so quiet?
There's a race at school.
That sounds fun.
Not if Parker is there.
Is Parker bothering you again?
Are you thinking about the race?
Parker is really fast, and you've been practicing.
What if he finishes first?
Just do your best. I'll try. Too slow, Max! No! Wait! I can't catch him! I'm gonna win! I lost. It was just a dream. What if I really lose?
Bad dream?
I dreamed I lost the race.
A dream can't tell you what will happen.
But practice can help.
Practice?
Lots of practice.
Ready?
Ready? I messed up.
That's okay. Again.
Ready? Go!
Was I faster?
I forgot to press start.
Best coach ever.
Thank you.
What if Parker is faster?
You can't control Parker. Control what you do. Run your race.
You actually came. Of course. Try to keep up.
Get ready. Ready, set, go!
Come on, Max. Stay focused.
Too slow, Max.
Run your race. I can do this. What? Keep going. Go, Max, go!
I won?
You won!
You got fast. I practiced. Yeah, I noticed.